Now, in this short but powerful time with you here today, I am going to reveal one of the businesses you can actually start without money and how to go about it. There is no doubt that the situation we find ourselves today would only be solved if a good number of our population decides to go the entrepreneurial way. Yes, no one actually needs to be told that very soon there will be no job even when you are overqualified, because there are countless overqualified people jostling for that same job. And guess what? The employers are now lowering their offers for paid employments. I heard of recent how a good number of large corporations had to slash salaries by over 50%. And listen here, you can't blame them. The higher the supply, the lower the purchasing price. Period. Now, what concerns me here the most is the fact that managing household isn't getting better. It keeps increasing by the tick of time. So this is what so many people are doing today. Starting a new business, not necessarily manufacturing. A huge number are in the buying and sales chain of businesses. While that looks good to start with, do you know that over 85% don't have the resources to start? And for the few that even have it, they end up getting into something they lack no information about. And before you say jack, you're out of business. Well, there is a direction that the world is going today, and it is the services business. One area you practically do not need a dime to start with. And guess what? Everything is available to you. Yours is simply to acquire the skills and get started. But not only getting started, but being motivated to stay in line until you have that break. Now, in this short but powerful time with you here today, I am going to reveal one of the businesses you can actually start without money and how to go about it. This business is the logistics business. And I'm sure you know that this is highly profitable a business today. So I will need you to pay attention keenly. Well, in case you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Tim Abel, and I am the author of the book, How to Start a Business Without Money. Yes, I have it here. How to Start a Business Without Money. And I'm also the CEO for Trump Hills International Group. We're into real estate, social media marketing, coaching and consulting businesses. You can actually look us up for more details in the link that will be provided below this video. So let's get started. First, let us consider the usual problem, setting up and running this business. When you will need an average of 4 to 5 million to start this business, I guess you don't have that. Very tough. Secondly, even when you start it with your funds, you're going to go through a whole lot of processes trying to recruit, train, market, and all that before you can gain stabilization. And I can bet that paying salaries alone when income is not forthcoming is a major challenge with businesses and can run you out. Hopefully you don't want to go that path. Again, to start a logistic business, you certainly need an office. You need vehicles, motorcycles, secretary, etc. That would require another length of time and stress that you wouldn't want at all. Without saying much, I'm sure you already know how difficult the task involved is when you talk about starting this business. But what if you don't need to bog your head with all of that? What if you could get started in less than 90 days and you can start making your own income? Listen here. I'll teach you exactly the steps. But there's more to it, and that's what you can get from my book, How to Start a Business Without Money. So let's roll. Now, there's one thing. At the end of the day, you should be able to make between 250k to 1 million naira monthly if you follow these steps that I'm going to reveal to you. So these are the steps. Number one, source and meet with a minimum of 10 to 15 private Okada riders in your location. Meet with registered transport companies running other locations within the country. Source like 5 of them for a start. Source for truck owners in your location that are willing to partner with you in the movement of household items. Source for bus owners, taxis, cabs, for interstate and intrastate services. These are your resource tools to get started with. You can also connect with established logistic companies as well. For example, DHL, UPS, FedEx, ABC, and the rest, including our own NIPOST. This is to allow for upcountry and international businesses that you may be having anytime soon once you get started. So the next step is to secure a contract with the service providers with the pricing clearly spelled out. Very important. So the third is to create your markup or margin for various packages you're going to be offering. The fourth stage is to identify the market audience and weigh the prospects. Number 5 is to create your price schedule ready to start using when you start the task of selling. Number 6 is to create your social media handles and website. All of these are for free. Number 7, start creating content on a daily basis and then be selling. Number 8, when you have a sale, ensure to deliver with the speed of light for you to be able to create a good impression with your first, second, third, or fourth customers. Now, number 9, get testimonials from these people you've been able to deliver for and share it. Number 10, get attention as often as possible. Meet with friends, family members, corporate bodies, organizations, people, just name them. Meet with a lot of people and share your thoughts. Once you can start making income, make sure you go into marketing, cold callings. Just keep driving sales. Now let's close on this one. With all I have mentioned, of course, you can jump on the street and start doing it. But this is the very many reasons people fail. You need to hire a consultant who can actually help you through this. I guess to do that, it would cost you so much. So what if you are able to pay just for this book? And then you can get all the supports that can ever be used to go on this journey without failing. Well, if you're interested, the link in this video is there. Just connect with me or send me a message via WhatsApp with the number on the screen, and I will get back to you. Now, one thing more. I want you to like this page, share it, help me subscribe to the YouTube page, because I'll be revealing a whole lot of these different businesses on this platform. Thanks. I'll see you on the inside.